there's some tapes that are some films out there that you can put over top of your old windows. You can add caulking to areas to try to get them limp them through a few more years. If you're changing out some of the trim in your house, you could pull the trim off your windows and you can insulate around your existing windows better to make sure that they're insulated around properly. You can upkeep the paint and the caulking on the exterior so that they're not rotting. Window manufacturers have really improved how they make their windows, from the glass that's being used, the gas that goes in between the glass, how it interacts with the sash, the components that it's made of. They've really made very efficient windows, especially Marvin has really perfected how to make a very efficient window.